Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered how the listing of a new cryptocurrency on a major platform like Bybit could impact your digital earnings? Just 2 hours ago, Bybit dropped some exciting news. Hamster Token will officially be listed on their platform on September 26th. So let's dive into what this means for you and how you can make the most of this golden opportunity. Imagine this. In the world of cryptocurrencies, major exchanges like Bybit and OKX are racing to offer the latest and greatest tokens to their users. Today, we have the thrilling news that Hamster Token will be available on Bybit. But what about Binance? Is it about to make an announcement too? Binance is known for keeping things under wraps until the very last moment, so we might hear about their listing just a few days before the actual listing date. Now, what should you do right now? How can you take full advantage of this major event? Let me share some strategies that might help you boost your profits and make the most of this opportunity. First, open the Hamster app and head to the Airdrop section. You'll find options between two platforms, OKX and Bybit. Make sure to stay updated on the Airdrop news for both platforms, as they will play a significant role in determining your future profits. Second, while we await Binance's announcement, focus on maximizing your hourly earnings. I've talked about this a lot, but some of you still seem skeptical about the importance of improving your hourly profits. Why the hesitation? If you want to succeed, you need to be serious about boosting your performance. Aim to achieve higher hourly earnings and take every opportunity to improve your position. Third, if you haven't started working with the Hamster Bot yet, now is the perfect time to begin. You'll find the link in the video description. Don't miss out on this chance. The sooner you start, the better your chances of seeing positive results. Finally, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. We provide daily and exclusive updates there before sharing them on YouTube. You'll find the link to our Telegram channel in the video description. Stay up to date with the latest news and opportunities. In conclusion, if you're like us and eager to achieve your goals in this fast-paced world, you need to be prepared and strategic. Personally, I'm working hard to reach 8 million per hour and aiming for even more, but it takes effort and focus. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.